Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I still feel kind of a little bit sick, so I decided to do this little Halloween kind of witch makeup look. So I did this once. I did my makeup, I did my face, my lips, and I did this witch hat on top of my brow. Thought it was cute, so now I want to do this side, even though I still don't know what I want to do on the top. I don't know if I should do another witch hat or not, or just leave it like that. I went right a boo. So yeah, guys, I just want to see if you want to see how I finished this look, and keep on watching. As y'all know, I was at my sister's wedding, so I got sick, my sister got sick, everybody got sick. So I don't know if I should even talk or if I should just stop, because my voice is gonna be sounding crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a green from my Kristen Leanne palette, which I really love, and it's the Lime Time color. Right here. Really love that green. So yeah, I just figured I wanted to do like a witch kind of Halloween kind of look. So yeah, I'm just gonna start putting that color on the lid. I mean, I don't know what I want to do. If to just keep this side like that and then this side bare with just words, or do the same thing like a witch hat on that side. I have no clue, guys. Legit, I have no clue. So yeah, my sister's wedding was so much fun. Even though we came back sick, it was horrible. Came back on Tuesday. No, actually no, we came back Monday afternoon. So yeah, my throat is still hurting. I've been doing my diffuser and all that good stuff. I'm just applying that green right here, which I love. That green is so pretty. This like flat brush that I got in the Ipsy bag, my Luxie 239 Precision Shader brush. Okay, then I'm going to grab my black. I'm going to grab this Stone Large Shadow Brush. Grab 13.4 on the same palette, and I'm going to start here and just packing it on and then blending it out. Just to be as dark as possible. So you guys, I'm just gonna end up putting music because my throat is getting scratchy. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, I'm grabbing that color, the 13th Floor from the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay palette. And this black is, I like it because you can do it dark, but you can do it also light. And I'm just putting a light wash of it and then blending it out because I don't want it to be too harsh. You know, I'm not going to make this harsh. I just want it to have that green and that kind of light black shadow look. So I'll just keep blending it, packing it, and blending it out. And it will look nice. Also applying the green, that Lime Time green, on the lower lash, and also like smoking it out in the outside to make it look nice and seamless. I really like it this way. It looks so pretty. And if some of the green went away, just apply more of the green on the lids because I really want that green to stand out. Really want it to stand out. Boo. So yeah, guys, I really like the way it's coming out. Now I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do in the other eye. I'm just gonna go right for it and let's just see what happens. Like legit, let's just see what happens because I have no clue. Okay, guys, so I didn't know what to do on this eye. I didn't want to do another witch hat, which I maybe should have. I just decided to write the word boo on it with this little liner pencil. It's actually really hard. But anyways, I hope you guys like it so far. I don't know about the tears, but I think it's a little, gives it a little touch to it. So yeah, I like the way it's coming out. You can see here, guys, I'm just putting like little tiny baby, like little tiny bats using my little pencil liner. Yeah, I just figured I'd keep adding things here and there. Sorry, guys. Even on here, I kind of smoked out the green a little bit on the outer corner. And then I added some where I put the bats. Where I kind of like drew the bats. I put some of that green. So I just wanted to look nice and dark and like, you know, like nighttime and stuff. So yeah, I'm trying so hard not to do so much over voiceover because my voice is so scratchy. And as you can see, I still sound horrible. And I also put some of that green on top of the eye, on top of my brows, just to give more definition and more to the look, you know, make him look more nicer. So yeah, I really like the way that looked. And also as well, I'm going in with a little bit of contour just to contour my cheeks, you know, and give the look a little bit definition, not to look so flat. But yeah, so far I really like the way this looks. I don't know about the tears, but I just thought it was like a little cute touch to it. I don't know what you guys think. Put on the comment down below what you guys think. But yeah, so I really like this look a lot. I think it was nice and pretty, especially for Halloween. So yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. And let me stop because my voice is crazy. You guys already know I'm going to use my single and ready to mingle from Eileen, the more dramatic ones. Real dramatic. Here I'm adding more of my gel liner literally on my lips anything, any black lipstick. I didn't have black lipstick, shadow, whatever you want. Just apply it on your lips with a little bit of green. I put green on the outer corner of your lip. I think it looks so nice, and it gives it like a little nice touch to the look. Really pretty. Be creative. Use whatever makeup you have. If you don't have like paint makeup, or you know, just use whatever it is you have. You can have shadows, eyeliners, all that good stuff. Just be creative with your makeup. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. My little witch Halloween makeup. If you guys want more in depth, like how I did the little hat, let me know in the comments down below. I just didn't want this video to be forever, and I was really trying to figure out, so I just figured I would do this eye with the blue. I'll leave all the things that I used in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did enjoy creating it for you guys. I still feel kind of sick and under the weather, so I'm like wasn't really feeling doing this video, but I didn't want to just not have a video for tomorrow for you guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel. Thank you to those new subscribers that I have been receiving. Thank you so much, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and may you enjoy the rest of your weekend.